Oh, look, look, look. It's a squirrel. Isn't it look beautiful and cute? And look at its furry tail. I got an idea. Let's play a game that is related with tails of the animal. So I am going to show you picture of few tails and you have to guess the name of the animal whose tail look like this. Are you all ready? So here comes the first picture. Look at the tail carefully and try to recall whose tail look like this. Yes, it is tail of a horse. Yes, it looks like this, no? Correct. Now comes the second picture. Are you all ready? Look carefully. Whose tail is it? Yes, you are right. It's cat's tail. And now comes the next picture. Are you ready to guess the name of the animal? Let's see. Whose tail is it? Correct. Dog's tail. And here comes the next picture. Yes, this is tail of a cow. And now comes the next picture. Look at its tail carefully. Who is it? Yes, it is tail of a tiger. Look. Yes, you were right. Now comes the next picture. Look carefully. Whose tail is it? I will give you a clue. It is king of the jungle. Yes, it's lion's tail. And here comes the next picture. Whose tail is it? Yes, it's an elephant's tail. And now comes the next picture. Whose tail is it? Look carefully. It's zebra's tail. Correct. And now comes the next one. Whose tail is it? It's giraffe's tail. My God, you all are so intelligent. So did you enjoy this game of identifying animals with their tails? ऐसे ही फन लर्निंग वीडियोस के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारे लर्निंग प्रोग्राम के बारे में और जानने के लिए स्क्रीन पर दिए गए डिटेल्स पर संपर्क करें। स्कूल एट होम, द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न। खेल खेल में पढ़ाई।